In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit prices in Shopify. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing an online store, as pricing adjustments are often necessary to accommodate new strategies, promotions, or changes in the market. Let's start with the basics. First, from the Shopify homepage, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side. This is your command center, allowing you to efficiently manage different aspects of your store. For pricing adjustments, you'll want to navigate directly to the Products section, which is where you can access your entire inventory. Clicking on Products will bring up a list of all the items you have for sale in your store. Once you're in the Products section, there's a convenient feature that allows you to select all your products at once. You'll see a small checkbox at the top of the product list. By clicking this box, you'll select every item, a helpful option when you need to change prices for multiple products at the same time. With all your products selected, the next step is to engage the bulk edit function. This feature is a game changer if you're managing a sizable inventory. Simply hit the bulk edit button, which opens up a new interface where you can make modifications to several products simultaneously. This saves a significant amount of time compared to editing prices individually. Once you're in the bulk edit interface, you can adjust the prices easily. You'll see a spreadsheet-like view of your product details. Navigate to the column labeled Price. From here, you can click into each cell and enter new price values as needed. This setup makes it straightforward to compare and ensure consistency across different products or variations. Remember, it's important to double-check that all prices are correct before proceeding. Errors in pricing can lead to customer confusion or loss of revenue. Take a moment to review your changes thoroughly. After you've made all necessary price adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. The Save button is usually located at the top or bottom of your screen, and clicking it ensures that all your modifications are securely applied to your store. This is a critical step, as unsaved changes will be lost and not reflected in your shop. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the prices in your Shopify store. This process may seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes an efficient part of your store management routine. Keep in mind the importance of regular reviews and updates to your pricing, as this can significantly impact both your competitiveness and profitability. Thank you for following along, and happy selling.